love at-home facials, and it's something that I really enjoy playing around with, mixing up different products to suit whatever it is that I'm going through during that time. One of my favorite at-home facials though is a relaxation facial. Today I'm gonna walk you through my at-home facial routine for when I just want to unwind and relax and do nothing. And you know, sometimes you just need those moments, and it's something that I find is really fun, and it's just like a little way to reward myself and treat myself, especially at the end of the day. The first thing I like to do is make sure that my skin is nice and clean. So I like using a gentle cleanser like the Glossier Milky Jelly Cleanser. I will say that I love this because of the scent, and it is really gentle and conditioning. It's not something that's going to remove waterproof or long wearing makeup well. So if you're wearing something like that, then you definitely want to use like a makeup remover that will take that stuff off. For a deep cleanse, the Fresh Umbrian Clay mask is one of my all-time favorites, and I think this is especially great if you want something that's going to deeply clean out your pores, purify your skin, but it's also going to be gentle. I really love the scent. It just smells like a light herbal tea to me, and it's really pleasant. I put this all over my face and I'll leave it on for 5 minutes. Afterwards, my face just feels really, really clean and refreshed. Before I get into the next product, I like to use a jade roller on my face. So I will just use this all over my face wherever I feel like I want to release some tension. It feels really nice, usually like in my jaw area, especially if I've had like a stressful day. I tend to clench. So I'll like roll out around my jaw, my eyes. It just feels really good if you have tired eyes too. Okay, now we've reached the part where I put on essence. So this is the Tatcha essence. When I'm doing an at-home facial like this, I like using an essence because it helps to just like plump up my skin and prep it for maximum absorption. So I'll just put a little bit of this in my hands and pat it all over my face. I really love layering face masks. So what I'll do is I'll start off with a creamy hydrating face mask like the Tula Kefir Ultimate Recovery Mask. And this one is actually almost gone because I've used it so much. It is one of my favorite face masks, especially if you feel like your skin is really dehydrated, it's really tired looking, and you just want to add a little bit of glow and radiance back into your skin. This stuff is amazing. I love that there's a pump on this, so it makes it super easy to use. And I'll do 1 to 2 pumps of this on my hand and then just put it all over my face in a fairly even layer, as even as I can get it. I've been using Tula products for a while now. I talk about them quite a bit, so you guys know that I really love them. And right now they have this Skin Essentials kit, which comes in this little zippered pouch, which is super cute. And inside you get a bunch of products. And a lot of these are things that you have seen me talk about before, and I really love them. One of them happens to be the Kefir mask. The other products in the kit are the Hydrating Day and Night Cream, the Purifying Face Cleanser, really gentle. It has a lovely fresh scent to it. I especially love the travel size because it has become one of my go-to travel cleansers. Then there is the Revitalizing Eye Cream and also the Pro Glycolic 10% pH resurfacing gel. And the really awesome thing about this kit is that it is a $104 value, but Tula is currently selling it for $19.95. So this is a special gift to you guys. No one else is getting this, and the only way that you can get this special pouch with these products in it for this price is by using the link that I have for you in the description box. That's the only way to access it. It's not anywhere else on the Tula site. I just think this is really awesome because it's a great way to try out different products before committing to a full size, and you're getting everything plus a pouch that you can reuse for $19.95 instead of paying $104. There are limited quantities of this, so if you're interested in it, definitely check it out. TBH, anything that comes in a pouch that I can use over again is A+ in my book. The last step of the at-home facial is using a sheet mask. I really love how the combination of a creamy hydrating mask with a sheet mask over the top just kind of work together to infuse your skin with like the ultimate level of hydration, and it just feels really nice. So I have been really liking this brand, A by Balm, and I've used their moisture mask before, but this is the Ultra Cool Leaf Mask, and it comes with these little leaf patches that you can put in different areas around your face. Wherever you feel like you need extra soothing, you can put these little leaf patches on. I've been liking this brand because their sheet masks come with like eye serums and face moisturizers and the sheet mask, so it's like this layering experience, which is really nice. After doing this, I can see a difference in my skin pretty immediately, and I can definitely feel it, but I think the real results come the next morning. When I take the time to do something like this, which really doesn't take that much time at all, I notice a huge difference in my skin when I wake up the next morning. It just feels balanced, soothed, hydrated, and it just feels good to do a little something for yourself, especially at the end of the day. So that is gonna be it for my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Before I go, as a reminder, which I'm sure a lot of you already know if you follow me on Instagram, I have moved to New York City and I'm going to be having videos in New York coming your way very soon. So this is actually going to be one of the last times that you see this background. Honestly, that is pretty exciting because it means that I'm in New York and things are moving forward. So I am really excited for that moment. I hope that you are looking forward to it too, and I'm really excited to just share, you know, the new things that are coming my way, as overwhelming as it can be sometimes. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I will see you very soon. Goodbye for now.